So this is the condenser off the microscope. The Nextion display allows you to set any color of any pixel within both the outer ring here and the inner area here. I call this thing a LuciLed condenser because the central bit acts a bit like the old Zeiss condenser that didn't have any glass. It was simply a light that illuminated a milky white piece of plastic, and that was called Lucigen, so hence LuciLed. So you can set the color of any pixel. So let's do that to illustrate it. So to do that, we slide one of these to some value that we want. So here, this will light up a pixel in red. So if I press any one of these buttons, up comes a red pixel. And I can set as many as I want. So I could light more of these like so. So now we've got 4 lit, I think. And then we can turn them off. One can also set the central region. So if you wanted to set Rheinberg, you'd set perhaps all of the outer set. So this is the left set in the outer ring. This is the right set in the outer ring. And the middle group of 3 here are the central pixels. So let's just turn off the outer ring and turn on the inner one. So now they've come up as red on the inside. And obviously you could change the color. So turn red down and turn up green. And then if we light some of the outer pixels, you can see that I could create a ring that's completely green. So we'd have red, green, Rheinberg. Okay, and to switch them off, you just press the switch button and they all go off. The other way is you just press any one of the LED buttons and that will switch that particular LED off. To make it easier to use without fiddling around setting individual pixels, I've also set up some presets, which could be changed if I wanted to anything. So let's just have a look at that. So we can turn on, for example, the outer ring completely as red, or green, or blue, or white. Okay, so that's that. And each time I change the preset, I turn off the other one. So here, this is oblique left. This is oblique right, this is oblique up, this is oblique down, Rheinberg, yellow blue, Rheinberg, red green, Rheinberg, red blue, Rheinberg, green blue. Okay, so that's basically it. Now, this is it off the microscope. The next video I will make is of it on the microscope and the effects it has on some simple object like some salt crystals.